Very good. First of all, Nitin, I will congratulate you on the behalf of 3S LifeSafe Academy. First attempt, you have cleared the NABOSH. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So many congratulations to you. I'm just going to show the certificate, and now this is going to be your certificate. You can see your name here.
Yes, sir.
So many congratulations, Mr. Nitin. Can you introduce yourself? आप अपना परिचय बताइए.
Okay, मैं बेसिकली मैंगलोर से हूँ. मैंगलोर उडुपी एक्चुअली. मैं अभी फिलहाल तो मैं अभी मैंगलोर में काम कर रहा हूँ. मैं बेसिकली आई एम बैकग्राउंड फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल. अभी we have been working as several major construction projects, and right now I'm working as in maintenance projects as in MRPL. So अभी मैं एक्चुअली एज अ सेफ्टी इंचार्ज में काम कर रहा हूँ. मेरा करंट पोस्ट सेफ्टी इंचार्ज में. पहले मैं प्रोजेक्ट इंचार्ज था. अभी इसके लिए मुझे निबोश करना, मतलब मैं सेफ्टी फील्ड में मैं थोड़ा आगे बढ़ना चाहता हूँ अभी, क्योंकि उसमें मुझे ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्कोप ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा है. क्योंकि मैं मैकेनिकल से मैं बहुत सारा काम किया, लेकिन मुझे लगता है सेफ्टी से हम आप लोग किधर भी जा सकते हैं, कौन सा भी फील्ड पे भी जा सकते हैं, एज इन हॉस्पिटल, एज इन कंस्ट्रक्शन, एज इन मेंटेनेंस, एनी फील्ड. सो मुझे अभी मेरा फ्यूचर अभी मैं सेफ्टी में ही करना चाहता हूँ.
Okay, so you said you are from Udupi, okay?
Yes, sir.
And you are a mechanical engineer, and you are working for MRPL or some construction project, is it?
No, some other construction. Right now I'm working as a maintenance. Yes, some other.
Okay, and being a mechanical engineer, you are looking some diversify career, and which you feel that NABOSH could be more useful to you, is it?
Yes.
How the NABOSH is going to be useful to you as a being a mechanical engineer?
अभी फिलहाल तो मैं एक्चुअली मेरा प्लान है जो अब्रॉड का है. अब्रॉड के लिए तो NABOSH तो मैंडेटरी है. सेफ्टी अभी सेफ्टी फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं तो सेफ्टी में एक जो मैं प्लस पॉइंट या तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ, तो क्योंकि सेफ्टी में आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. मतलब आप कौन से भी कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी जा सकते हैं, मैं क्या हॉस्पिटल या बिल्डिंग मैनेजमेंट या बहुत से कहीं भी आप लोग कहाँ भी वर्क कर सकते हैं. सो जॉब ऑप्शन आपको बहुत रहेंगे एज इन सेफ्टी में. इसलिए वही फील्ड कि आपको अभी मैं फिलहाल मेरा ऑयल फील्ड का मेरे बहुत सारे इंटरेस्ट था. मैं काम भी किया हूँ उधर में. एक्चुअली आपको वही फील्ड जो चाहिए, आपको मैकेनिकल वही चाहिए. उधर में भी बहुत प्रोसेस चल रहा है, काम भी नहीं है, काम भी जा रहा है. लेकिन आप ऐसे फील्ड में आप लोग ऑयल फील्ड तो आप इंडिया में नहीं है, मैंगलोर में नहीं, उडुपी में नहीं है. इसलिए मैं एक्चुअली आप सेफ्टी में है तो आप किधर भी काम सकते हैं, कहाँ भी. अभी मैंगलोर में बहुत सारे मॉल से हैं, या बैंगलोर में बहुत से कंस्ट्रक्शन में किधर भी काम कर सकते हैं. तो ऑप्शन ऑप्शन बहुत रहेंगे.
Okay.
इसलिए मैं एक्चुअली मैं अभी सेफ्टी जाना चाहता हूँ.
Very good. So you feel that being a mechanical engineer, if you take your career towards the safety industry,
yes,
you have lots many opportunities.
Yes.
And lots many opportunities not only in India as well as in abroad.
Abroad, yes.
Very good. So this NABOSH gives you lots many opportunity for your better career development. Is it?
Yes.
So when did you did your engineering? Which year you passed the engineering?
I think 2013.
2013. After 8 years of your completion of the
because
engineering.
I didn't know much about NABOSH. Okay. Past year I got to know from my colleague. He said if you want to go abroad, if you want to, because last working position as a safety in charge. I'm handling as a safety whole construction projects and so many maintenance and all. So my colleague was referred. You have to finish because you have to clear that NABOSH. It's a mandatory for the abroad and all. So I just googled one of the best institution in by Karnataka. So I got your number. The way you approach and the way you want to support it. I was called on your lockdown time. Maybe I remember. Yeah. You was that time I called once just for the inquiry. After 6 months I called again. That time I got one. You saved my number. You just picked my call and you said, "Hey Nitin." That was quite shocking for me because you saved my number. The way you approach it, the way you convincing or the way you accept करते हैं, वो मुझे पसंद आया. बाद में I was just searched how the verified in NABOSH institution and the procedure. Even you. One of the only one 3S LifeSafe Academy was I think verified. if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it is only one institute in the whole state of Karnataka.
The whole state of Karnataka. Yeah, I was joined in, but because of some personal issues, I couldn't write that exam. And you gave every month. You gave that TFS was giving. You're joining my every group. I would take that time also, but because of some issues, I couldn't write my exam. And December I joined again.
Very good, very good. So your planning was good. So you called me about a year back, and then after the first call, it was almost 6 months. We were not having any contact. And you said after the 6 months, when you made a call, second call, I saved your number, and then the way we approached you, or rather I approached you, you liked that very much. Okay, that impressed you
very much.
And then and then you went through the search on the Google about our institutes, about the ratings and reviews, everything search you done, lot many investigation you did, and then you found like this is the one of the good institute.
Yes.
So first of all, thank you very much for doing so much of exercise and coming to our institute and joining our institute and successfully completion of your NABOSH IGC. So did you skill your knowledge today what you had before the NABOSH and today after the NABOSH?
So every industry needs safety. So being as a project, because I was working as a site in charge, site project manager and all, I got knowledge about safety. After this NABOSH, I would say that priority of the safety and safety, how to management the risk. I got some ideas about safety and all. It's all benefits for me in every perspective.
Rightly said, Mr. Nitin. How was your total journey with us as a 3 years LifeSafe Academy? Your teaching, how did you got the tutorials? How the tutors? How the total whole management system? How was the backend team, which is supported you, motivated you? How as an overall journey like? Can you explain in few words?
Yes, sure. First of all, 3 years Life Academy is for handling Subhas. That's you. Who manages, who operates very well, who polite, and anytime he can pick my call, anytime, whatever. There's one big thing for me. And one more thing is that classes. The Suraj sir took as he's one of the global topper. I'm attending as a first online class. So it was so convenient than the classroom I think. And Suraj sir took as like. He explained very well actually. First of all, he explained very well that 3 years Life Academy's textbook, because key points in textbook was there. The 3 years textbook of the mixture of all the textbook, I would say, for me is a plus point, because in the exam I wrote only the key point and connected to the scenario. That's because first of all, class mock practice is everything. What I experienced, the 3 years Life textbook. Which I experienced.
The textbook is not like in very hi-fi English. It is in very simple English, where we as an Indian can understand well. Okay, very good. Thank you for. If you see like your native place area like Mangalore and Udupi, all the coastal region, most of the people today, are recognizing the 3 years LifeSafe Academy, and most of the people from your area are approaching to 3 years LifeSafe Academy. So your parents is aware about you have done the NABOSH or the NABOSH international certificate today?
Yeah. My parents, they were happy. They were very happy. Yeah, my friends were happy who recommended. So he was always forcing me to do that NABOSH. So always he was encouraging, and he was so happy. I was completed.
Very good and very nice talking to you. If you want
Thank you so much, sir.
If you want to give some message to the new learners, like why the new learners should join to the 3 years LifeSafe Academy. Can you give me some 3 bullet technical key points?
Okay. 3 bullet technical. First of all, the teaching. The Suraj, he's one of the global topper. And one more thing is he's already registered, verified, the reasonable price also. And the management of you and Vandana ma'am, the management of the biggest handling in group, every message, there is so many people were there in groups and all. But Suraj sir, Rahul sir, they keep on replying every messages. I was observing how people they have patience. The level of patience in 3 years, all members. I was saluted for that.
Wish you very all the best for your good career and the rest of the career. Okay, do well. Okay, and
thank you.
Wherever you work, okay, always work with the pride and pride for your parents. Think about your parents, think about your country, think about your place, So always you think about I should create my good name everywhere. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure,
Okay.
sir.